would be the guy that would give this to, that would make the most out of it.
When you're giving away something like this, you just can't go to a random person.
He's a cool guy, he's got the best attitude on the planet. To cut all the bullshit, Cleetus McFarland, I'm going to give you this car.
Hell yeah, brother.
Hopefully you'll take it. It's not a joke. It works. Makes 8,000-ish odd horsepower. You're the guy to take this to the next level. We're going to come over with some burning cars and do some weird shit at your place. So we want you to do some weird shit with this so that everyone here can jump on YouTube and watch you do crazy, outlandish stuff with this car. Do what you like with it, no strings attached. Maybe give me a discounted ticket to your show or something like that, right?
50% off.
50% off maybe, and see how you go, right? Maybe even a shirt. But that's what we're doing.
So this car is going to America with the rest of the Burnout Kings guys to be given away to Cleetus McFarland. That is legit. That is the coolest thing that's ever been given away ever. So Cleetus, this is the real deal, mate. I know you don't have it, you have everything else, and as Gup said, what do you give the guy that has everything? Well, what he didn't have is a top fuel dragster. So mate, thank you Powercruise and Gup for giving you a top fuel car that you can do whatever you want with, and it's yours. And it's 2 seats, so you can take your mates. And the only stipulation that Gup didn't mention that I want to mention is that you need to do a burnout in this at your show, otherwise Australia is going to be disappointed, mate.
So that's that, folks. These guys, it's a big giant money pit, generally as they are, and everyone's enjoyed it, had a good time and so forth. So all the best with it, Cleetus. And like I come up with earlier, you stole my thunder and I forgot about it. But I'm like, what do you give the guy that's got everything? You get a guy that's already got everything. To give the guy that's got everything the last little piece of the puzzle, and hopefully you'll accept it from us. We're shipping it to America anyway, whether you like it or not. We're going to bring it to your joint, we're going to put it on your doorstep, and we're going to watch you make some crazy shit with this thing. All the best.